Hi, welcome back to the channel. So, anyone that hasn't been around, this is SupaTroopsta. This is my drag racing V8 Landrcruiser Troopcarrier. Chev 350 Chev, factory 5-speed manual, and all the standard diff gears. Front end has got some mods. She's got no drive line in the front. One sec. Noisy. Right, thing. So I've just gone and fixed the brakes up again. I've also put a little electric water pump on. We're going to see if we can get any faster this round. So there is a few people here this weekend, and we're going to see if we can get the 13s all night, all day tomorrow, and we'll just get through tonight first. So let's go to get in line. Actually, I'll bleed the brakes first, again, and then we're going to get in line. See you soon. Running. We have oil pressure, lights work, it's not getting hot, and my blue light makes me look really black under the eyes. It should be a white light. I don't understand why it's blue, but anyway, it is what it is. They're a bit slow on getting the cars moving. I've asked them to see if we can pick the cadence up tonight, because we've actually got a decent amount of people here for test and tune. Like, this is a week before, well, the last round of anyone doing any driving before winter nats. So a lot of people come here to do their testing for winter nats. So yeah, everyone's out for a quick lap before they go and spend some money and do some real racing instead of goat track racing. Oh look, the track's not great, but it's good. It's good enough. Like, it'll hold a 9-8 second car most of the time. So, yeah, I'm nowhere near that. So, it'll hold my car every day of the week. I can probably race no prep here and still do it. Alright. See you in the burnout very soon. And I forgot to put the GoPro in the car so we don't have any other footage other than this one. See, we got some new signs made. Look at that. Good to see we've got some companies coming on board and trying to support the club a bit. So, that's awesome. Go back and check time slip and go and line up again, I guess, because it's going to take a while. I want at least 3 runs tonight. She lied to me.
Did I?
You lied to me.
Did I?
Yes, you did. So, I knew it was good. It launched off the line really, really well. So it was a 196 60-foot, not great. Oh, it's good, but it's not the best. And then at the 8th, it was 875 at 78 mile an hour. Quarter, new PB, 1381 at 94.8 mile an hour. So a bit slower over the line, but it went really hard through the middle. Like first, second, best ever at start. Hold on. I will get a photo of this and I'll put it in the screen when I'm talking up there. And that is really, that's for a first run of the night, awesome. Well, that was really good. So, is that the extra 5 horsepower from the water pump? Is that what we just got? Like, now, tonight I need to work on launching, trying to get that launch better, my that reaction time, because that 0.3 ain't gonna win me nothing. So I need to get reaction time into the ones at the least. because I'm racing against guys that do like O somethings on the tree. At least if I can get a 1, I might have a chance. But 13.813. Now, black and mile now, so we'll see if we pick that up during the night. It is cooler. So, is it due to being cooler, or is it due to the water pump? I don't know. But it's a big jump from last round. I was flat out getting a 14.2 last round, and then straight to a 13.8. That's awesome. That's really good. Now, if you're still watching, obviously you like it. Subscribe. It doesn't cost you nothing. But subscribe. Hit the little notification bell. I put stuff out at least, I try and do twice a month. I split the test and tune and the drag as 2 separate videos. This on a budget here, fellas and fellettes. A real budget. And the budget is I don't have money to buy parts. So I gotta buy an alternator is what I need to do. But anyways, that's another 300 bucks. It's just gotta be done. Alright. See you up there. And guess what? I forgot the freaking GoPro again for the burnout box. Ugh. We'll remember for the next one. Righto, so guess what? Let's see how many more PBs we can set tonight. That's another one. Now, still not my fastest speed over the trap, but 13.81. Sorry, 0.003 quicker over the line. You know, that's like, I don't know, at that speed, it's probably that much. Maybe less. Oh my gosh. But anyways, overall pretty much the same slip. I was slower all the way through to probably the 1,000 foot, and then from the 1,000 foot through to the quarter I was faster, so I think I held third a little bit longer that time. But obviously first and second, I know I short shifted first. I was in second by like 5,700 revs, normally going about 62, so just gotta ease my nerves and do it right. All right, let's go for quali 3. Oh, good chat. Okay. Righto, so the night didn't end as planned. We only had 2 races in. Mainly because we lost alternator belt. It's a bit hard to keep making laps when we don't have one of them. We walked the entire track, return road, it's gone. It's not under the car, it's not anyway. So we came back to pits. We may have lit a fire and had a few beverages. But hey, it's fun. We had a good night overall. 2 PBs in a row. So that's us for the night. We're done. Racing tomorrow, which for you have to wait a week. That'll be next weekend. But for now, thank you for watching, and I'll see you very soon.